In this new tutorial, I will guide you how you can add multiple photos in PPT slide with the same size. For this, you need to click on the insert and click on the table and select the 2 by 2 table. Drag it to the slide and now select all 4 columns and right click and go to the format shape, and here on the right side you will see that fill, and under the fill select the picture or texture. Click on the insert, click from the file and select the picture. I am selecting this one, click OK, insert, and now you can see that pictures are inserted. Drag it to resize it. So now select the all 4 photos and click on the layout and select the height to 2.5 and adjust the width to 3.5 and hit enter. And here you can see that all 4 photos height and width is adjusted. You can easily also adjust the table size. For example, you can click 6 and make it 6 also, and here you can see that you can drag it and place anywhere on the PPT slide. So for the customs size you need to go to the layout and give the custom height and width and customs height and width for the table size. So in this way you can add multiple photos in PPT with the same size. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.